If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The Magic Eraser tool in Photoshop changes similar colored pixels in a selected layer by erasing them to transparency if possible. However, if you use the Magic Eraser tool in a layer in which you have manually applied a transparent pixel lock so you cannot edit the transparent pixels, then the pixels instead change to the currently selected background color. Note, however, that this doesn't apply to the default background layer in Photoshop, which the Magic Eraser will convert into a layer with editable transparent pixels to erase the pixels to transparency within it if needed. In addition, you can use the Magic Eraser tool to only change contiguous, meaning touching pixels, or you can use it to change all pixels similar in color throughout an image. You can also choose to change pixels in the current layer by sampling the color only within the currently selected layer in the Layers panel, or by sampling the combined color of the pixels from all layers. To use the Magic Eraser tool in Photoshop, select the Magic Eraser tool from the Tools panel, where it shares a button with the Eraser tool and the Background Eraser tool. The Tools panel shows the last of these tools you selected. So make sure you select the Magic Eraser tool by clicking and holding down on this button, and then selecting the Magic Eraser tool choice from the side menu that appears if needed. Then select the correct layer within which to change the pixels in the Layers panel, and check its transparent pixel lock status as needed, so you'll know which behavior to expect from the Magic Eraser tool. Remember that this tool removes the transparent pixel lock from a selected background layer if needed, though. If needed for the selected layer, then select the desired background color to paint in the Tools panel or Color panel. To set the options for the Magic Eraser tool in Photoshop, type the desired tolerance value into the tolerance field in the Options bar control panel. A low tolerance number changes only pixels with the color very similar to the one you click to select in the layer. A higher tolerance number changes pixels with a broader range of color similarity. To smooth the pixels you change, check the Anti-Alias checkbox. To change only pixels touching the pixel color you click to select in the layer, check the Contiguous checkbox. If unchecked, all pixels of the selected color within the tolerance threshold anywhere in the layer are changed. To sample the color to change using the combined data of all visible layers, check the Sample All Layers checkbox. To adjust the opacity of the changed pixels, use the Opacity drop-down slider or enter a percentage value. A 100% opacity completely changes all the selected pixels. A lower opacity only partially changes the pixels. To change the pixels in the selected layer after applying the settings you want, click into the image on the pixel color in the part of the image or layer to change. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.